Hi everyone, I'm Kaylee and welcome to our tutorial series brought to you by the Military Veteran Team with LPT Realty. In this video, Larry Fischer will explain the exclusive buyer brokerage agreement and the transition to the transaction broker document. Let's get started.
Okay, now we're going through the exclusive buyer brokerage agreement transition to transaction broker document. Again, put your consumer's name, LPT Realty, the date in which effective date. We're gonna transition now, and the reason why we would use this document is it's our listing, it's our buyer that's gonna sell. I want to buy our listing, and we were showing the homes. We had a single agent buyer broker agreement in place, but now we get a transition to a transaction broker. So we could put the property address in this case. Retainer, same as before. And the money needs to go to the brokerage, so you can't hold the retainer. Commission is going to be 3%. Objection period, put 30 days. Termination fee, $500 or nothing. It's your call. Now, single agent, LPT. That's for single agent, and we're going to transition now to a transaction broker. And it's limited representation, not full representation like single agent. And right now, my understanding is this is what we would do is if it's our buyer that we've been showing properties to, but now they're going to come and buy our listing. We transition from single agent to a transaction broker. They would sign, we would sign, consumer sign, we would sign here, consumer sign there, real estate associate here. And that is the transition to transaction buyer broker agreement. Okay, so if you were to go to your LPT Connect, click on dot loop, go to dot loop, it'll take you to dot loop. You want to find a template, go to templates, go to military vet team, and you have all your documents here. Exclusive buyer brokerage agreement, single agent, compensation agreement, seller to buyer's broker, exclusive broker agent, transition to transaction, and compensation agreement, seller's broker to buyer's broker. So your documents are right there.
Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope our insights have been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Let's continue to work together for success in real estate.